Dabang was one of the biggest hit last year. We never wanted to make a Dabang again. Singham is a remake.
People have been asking me, wanting me to do an action film, but I was always waiting for the right kind of script.
It was wonderful working with Ajay. He is one of the biggest talents that this country can boast of.
People are liking the Singham title song and the hugeness of the grandeur of the song. People are liking that.
When I was making the film, that time I told you that it's a super hit film with 1.5 stars.
Many people feel that I think Rohit Shetty gets the best out of you. You are being projected in the film, at least from the promos. It is fantastic that you're just getting down of the car and the car is swirling.
He knows me very well now and he knows exactly how to present me. So, and that's what happens when you share a good rapport and you've been, knowing each other for quite some time.
We were talking to Rohit a few days back and he said that Chandan mein kya response hoga public ka, aap wo dekhiega, and what sort of reviews I'm going to get, I'm not worried about that, but public will love it. That's what I can promise you. That's exactly what has happened.
Yeah. A super hit with 1.5 star.
The rating that he gave 1.5 star.
It's a super hit with 1.5 star. And that's what happened.
But the audience is loving. Like we've done a public opinion of at single screen and at multiplex. The response has been unanimous. People are just loving it like anything.
Yeah, I really want to thank them. They've always done that to my films, and they have always welcomed my films with a lot of love. All I can say is thank you to them. It's because of them whatever we are today.
People are liking the Singham title song and the hugeness of the grandeur of the song. People are liking that last choir portion we use that coda, and that choir we fused with Maharashtrian rhythm.
As plus Sanskrit.
And plus Sanskrit is there. So it's kind of that fusion we made there. It's quite appreciated. जब हम लोगों ने वो नरेशन सुना तो हम लोगों को एक पता चला कि एक चीज़ होनी चाहिए फिल्म में, प्योरिटी. बिकॉज वो प्योरिटी अगर किधर भी मिस हो गया, हर एक करेक्टर प्योरिटी जो सिंघम में है, सो जो अगर वो प्योरिटी मिस किधर भी थोड़ा सा भी छेड़खानी भी आ जाए ना उसमें, तो भी वो मिस हो जाएगा. क्योंकि वो जो सिंसियर अप्रोच जो उसका है, जो सीरियस अप्रोच है, वो डिस्टर्ब ना हो. तो उसका प्यार भी हम लोगों ने एकदम प्योर और सादगी वाला जो जिसको नरम कह सकते हैं, नॉट वेरी टू हॉट और समथिंग लाइक दैट. बहुत भावना प्रधान है, बहुत इमोशनल है. ही इज वेरी सेंसिटिव पर्सन एंड वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग पावर. सो वो एक एज था टोटली उसमें. सो जिधर वो पावर चाहिए था उधर पावर है, जिधर वो सेंसिबिलिटी इंपॉर्टेंट था उधर ब्यूटीफुली आई कैन से nice melody line will work there.
Being part of Rohit Shetty film, I'm sure it must be quite a high, because he's having a fantastic success ratio as far as box office is concerned.
Certainly he is. And not just that, of course, he is extremely successful, but he's just such a wonderful person to work with. He keeps the environment very light, very fun-filled, very entertaining. And he's a very talented director. So I'm really glad to have started out with him.
But he's a tough taskmaster as well. There are days when he can be quite a taskmaster, in fact.
He is a taskmaster, but I think that's a good thing, and it's that's a sign of professionalism. So he knows what he wants and he knows how to get it. So that's very good.
Many people are comparing it with Dabang, and someone is saying Dabang of 2011. Some people have said that maybe it's even better than Dabang. So how do you react to such comparisons?
I don't want to get into that because Dabang was one of the biggest hit last year. We never wanted to make a Dabang again. Singham is a remake, as it is. And yes, people are appreciating Singham, so I'm happy about it. See, whatever said and done, Singham cannot be the kind of business Dabang has done. To be very honest, that was a different film, a different project. This is a different film, a different project.
Even Rohit, I believe, in fact, both your fathers have been stunt directors as well, and I think Rohit is getting back to action after a long time. I think Zameen was the last that he did action.
And he's designed this film, the action in this film very well. I think it's completely different from what you've been watching.
As it is, see, you know me from a long time and you came to me when I was making the film. That time I told you that it's a super hit film with 1.5 stars. So I don't bother what they write about.
First of all, इतना successful director होने के बावजूद, the way he is so simple and he's so down to earth, and he's so, he has his own conviction. First of all तो वो कहीं सीखे नहीं है, हम लोग भी कहीं सीखे नहीं, और हमारी एक पहली मुलाकात में ही आई थिंक हमारी वेवलेंथ मैच हो गई थी. एंड जो जिस कदर मतलब इतना बड़ा नाम है अजय जी का, इतना बड़ा नाम है, रोहित शेट्टी जी के लगातार 5-6 फिल्में सुपर बम्पर हिट हैं, लेकिन हम लोग जब भी उनको मिले ऐसा उन्होंने कभी जताया नहीं और कभी उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज से भी नहीं आया कि मैं इतना बड़ा आई एम रोहित शेट्टी। हमेशा कंधे पे हाथ रख के उन्होंने जो भी है समझाया एंड वेरी मच कूल एंड डाउन टू अर्थ। सो ये हमें लगता है कि हम लोग जिस कदर पले बढ़े हैं, हमारे लिए ये बहुत चीज़ अहम थी कि इतना फ्री डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करने का मौका मिले, और ऐसा भी डायरेक्टर है जिसने अगर भरोसा किया है और आपके कंधे पे कोई जिम्मेदारी रखी है, so he'll go for it और वो आपके साथ ही रहेगा।
And action once again, I think you're doing action after quite a while.
Some time, and I've been wanting to do an action film. People have been asking me, wanting me to do an action film, but I was always waiting for the right kind of script. I mean, if I, who started as an action hero, do an action film, it should be completely something different and something which people will really like.
Isn't it ironical that your name is Kajal and Ajay's wife's name is Kajal as well? So.
It is not an irony, I would call it a serendipity. Okay. And I have always been a very big fan of hers, and I hope to meet her soon.
Okay, and how's the experience of working with Ajay Devgan? He's one of the finest actors that we have.
Oh yes, it was wonderful working with Ajay. He is one of the biggest talents that this country can boast of. Okay. And not just that, he is again a very nice person. Being such a big star, he's still so humble and down to earth. Very encouraging as a co-star, very cooperative, very supportive. So I couldn't have asked for a better launch.
Being human, Anu, he or she says that ask him, when whole world is saying that Singham is looking like Dabangg and Salman is supporting him on this issue, how does he feel?
It feels fabulous. I mean, that also proves only one thing, that we all are friends and we've always been together and we support each other. And it's very sweet of Salman, and he's a great guy, great friend, and we all love each other.